application here called PhotoBoost, and pretty much show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Where is the application to use? You have the AI Advanced here, you have the AI Looks, you have the AI Video Generator option, you have the Colorize option there as well. So first off, down here you can use these templates and create your images if you're gonna use images. Also you can animate your photos, but you're gonna need stars to pretty much do that. As you can see here, I only have 5 stars. Down here you can pretty much copy these by just uploading a picture of yourself, and if I tap on this, it will ask me to get more stars. So let's say, for example, I want a hairstyle. It will pretty much redirect me to my storage, but it will just ask you to upload a photo of yourself, a clear photo of yourself. Will pretty much show you how that photo should look before you upload it. Once you have uploaded it, you can pretty much use any one of these features. Some of these features may require subscription, so do keep that in mind. As you can see, when I do select them, they do ask for more coins. So that's pretty much it for that there. You have the image generator option here. Just scroll up and you can pretty much enter you want to generate. Let's say I don't have anything in mind, you can tap on inspire me. It will just give me a prompt that I can use. Also you can upload an image as reference to your prompt. So here I can generate the image using this here, because I have 5 stars and it pretty much costs 1 star. So let's tap on generate. It will ask me to select an image, upload an image. I don't have an image at the moment, so I'm just gonna skip that part out. So you have the video generator option as well, but you will need a subscription to pretty much use this feature here. So do keep that in mind. In this section here, pretty much can go here and see all the images and videos that you have generated. So if I tap on the star icon here, I can go here to generate image, to recharge my boost and get some more stars so I can use the other features. So if I tap on the crown icon, is pretty much different from the stars, and this here gives me access to more features and removes ads. So as you can see here, the prices and everything. Do make sure you enable the free trial mode so you can get a 3 days free trial, and then you start paying the weekly subscription here. So that's it for that feature there. At the top here, you may see an icon where you can scroll down and select whichever gender you are, and this is very important so it can give you prompt templates based on your gender. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I've missed anything at all, do also make sure you give access to your gallery so you can upload your photos here, and you can easily select whichever one you want to enhance. So very simple application, very straightforward and easy to use. And if I missed anything at all in the tutorial, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. I'll see you in the next one.